doors are good. Fuel we know is good now. I was hoping there'd be a few more lower clouds. They're disappearing quickly.
Weather, wind 250 at 15, visibility 10, clear below 12,000, temperature 11 Celsius, dew point 10, altimeter 3001.
Mexico traffic, Zenith Experimental will be departing runway 24, local flight, Mexico.
So all good?
All good.
Your door is closed properly, seatbelt is on.
It's on.
Controls are free, so yep.
Ready to go.
Lined up with the runway. With the wind, we should take off short because it's got a bit of a headwind and nice full day. So we'll come to a complete stop and then full power in. See how short we can get this. Yeah, pretty good. Up we go.
All right.
Oh, we feel our cabin heat going even.
I feel it, yes.
Yeah. It might get too hot.
It's fine with me, whatever you
right
want
now,
to do.
but you wait a few minutes, well, we can turn it off. You just push
Okay.
push it in. If it gets too warm, because it'll toast your feet.
Okay.
Yeah, beautiful day, isn't it?
It is pretty, yes.
You can see the expansion there.
Yes. Clouds are pretty up here.
Yep. Yep. And now we see we're just at the height of it. You see below it looks like white and then it's gray on top. Isn't that kind of neat? I'm going to turn down the cabin heat. You want yours turned down too? That's hot.
It warms up, yes.
So you see it gets smoother once we're a little bit higher up. A pretty layer, isn't it?
It's pretty, very pretty.
Then you see with the light how it changes. See below the clouds here is white. Now if you look over here, below the clouds it's dark.
Okay.
Even though it's the same.
Same.
It's just the, with the light, with the sun. But you see it's the same. I see how it transitions from light to then dark on this side. Kind of neat. Still looking for things from the air, it definitely does look different. See, we're above the cloud here. Isn't that pretty?
It might be up there.
Yeah.
Looks like the lake, yeah.
Which one? The far one or the close one?
Closer one.
The little lake here?
Right there.
So is that your place?
It's my place, right there, that big lake.
Yeah, yeah. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Take pictures if you want. There you go.
The lake looks big from up here.
It is. It's a good sized lake. And you don't have any horses anymore, right?
That one.
Oh, you still have a horse?
There he is, out there by the...
Oh, yeah, there he is. Yeah, it is pretty out.
It's pretty out with the clouds and stuff. Yes.
Here, I'm going to try to go right through the cloud for you.
Okay.
Get ready for it. It's a tiny
Okay.
one. You see it?
I feel it.
You feel it?
I feel it.
That neat?
Mexico traffic, experimental Zenith is 4 miles south, inbound, Mexico.
Mexico traffic, number 72209, short final, 24. We're doing multiple patterns, left traffic to 24, Mexico.
And Mexico traffic, experimental Zenith is entering left downwind for runway 24, Mexico. And Mexico traffic, experimental is turning left base, 24, Mexico.
Mexico traffic, number 72209, on the departure leg of 24, followed by left close traffic, Mexico.
And Mexico traffic, experimental, turning base to final, 24, full stop, Mexico.
Mexico traffic, number 72209, left crosswind 24, Mexico.
Oh, I'll try to do a nice landing.
Okay. There's your helicopter there.
Yeah, oh, he's out. He's flying around the pattern. He's not a factor anymore. Got lots of runway, so we'll land long. No point landing too short.
And Mexico traffic, experimental short final, 24, Mexico.
Slow it right down. You can even get it really short, make turn off. Yeah, that was a short landing roll, wasn't it? That was like a STOL landing.
Good. Nice.
Oh yeah, yeah, it was a nice morning, wasn't it? Yep, I know, I gotta remind myself to go flying on these nice days.
Mexico traffic, number 72299, extended left base 24, Mexico.
And Mexico traffic, experimental is clear of all runways, Mexico.
Yeah, it looks a little different when we're back on the ground, doesn't it?
It does. It's nice to go out.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah.